Okay, here's a XB Falcon inner door handle. You can see a plastic pin inside there, and it holds that spring in place, which makes the handle work and spring back. The problem is that little plastic thing there will break, and basically your handle won't work anymore. It'll be like this one. Here's what happens when the little plastic pin breaks. Basically it destroys your door handle. There's part of it there, and that's what your good one looks like. This door handle I've actually taken out of my car. It was the driver's door handle, and I have now sourced a replacement one that's still working. The pin's still in there. The only problem is if I put that back in my car in a very short time, it will end up exactly like this one here. To make this replacement door handle last a lot longer, rather than just putting it in there, I found a nail that's the correct size, and just take that, we'll push that through the hole. It's a fairly tight fit, it stays in there now, and that will reinforce the plastic pin and make this door handle last hopefully for another 40 years. I'm going to have to trim that excess off there. I'll mark it with a texter and I will trim it off. We're back again. I've used a small 4-inch grinder to cut that nail to the correct length, and we can push that in there now. It's a fairly tight fit, and that door handle is ready to be installed back into the car, and should hopefully last us another 40 years. Yeah. Job done. Handle is back in the car. It works perfectly. Springs back. Good as the day come out.